Hi everyone, today we are going for a walk in the Thomson Nature Park. So Thomson Nature Park is not just a normal park, it has a long history that dates back to the early 1930s. And it used to be a Hainan village and was home to many families of various races. So back in those days, the village was well known for its sweet and juicy rambutans, and by the 1960s, the village grew to almost 100 families. So in the 1980s, the villagers moved out and the land was actually returned to our government, and after which nature and forest regenerated in this area. And it opened again in 2019, and the park served as a green buffer for the Central Catchment Nature Reserve, as well as to preserve the rich and cultural heritage of this place. So let's go and check out this park. See you!
Okay, we should go to the left side.
So we are done here already. Right. We didn't finish. I also don't know.
Maybe we didn't go here.
Inside. Yeah. So we walk backwards and come back here.
We walk back there. Then probably we will end up
Back at the toilet. Okay. Okay. Let's go back in. Let's go. Morning, guys. We're at the Thomson Nature Park, and it's a very nice, cooling morning. We're going to do a hike around here. Okay, the Thomson Nature Park just, if I'm not wrong, recently opened, and it's so you can take a look here. So yeah. I actually saw a snake here before that time. Yeah, quite a lot of wildlife. I think it was before phase 2 heightened alert. And I came here with some friends to do, I came here to do some macro. Yeah. No worries. It's not a very big area, so I think 1.5 to 2 hours can finish hiking. Oh yeah, I saw some of the videos like the climbing of the rock. Wow, not easy. Oh. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay, so the Thomson Nature Park is originally a Hainan village settlement. So that's why they have this area. Yeah. Wow, last time Prime Minister Lee Kuan Yew visited the village in 1963. Oh my gosh. The old photos are really nice. Yes. Ruins could be actually the homes of the settlers in the early years, right? I believe.
Yes, it is.
Yes. Lee Kuan Yew came here in 1960s to visit the villages. Oh, last time house so small I thought last time houses are much bigger. Huh? Oh, possible.
Urban warfare, rural warfare.
Yeah, you guys do.
The ground is not wet, so okay. Oh. There's a ruin there. Looks like a house. Here's another ruin, and you see the trees has already grown all over the ruin. So it's been here for a good 40-50 years. You think 40-50 years? See, the trees have grown all over the ruins wall. So I think it's a good 40-50 years, right? Hey guys, look, the steps here. Oh my goodness, can see the bathroom in there. Look, from here. There, the house got bathroom, toilet. Let's go up there and take a look.